Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to turn this to this, and it'll only take you a couple minutes. What you're going to want to do is start with a well-chilled bowl. Today I'm using a stand mixer with a metal bowl, but you're welcome to use any bowl of your choice, as long as you can put it in the freezer and get it cold. You're also welcome to use a hand mixer. It works just as well, it just takes a little more time and attention. I have my well-chilled bowl, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You're going to want to chill this as well, have it very cold. The colder the better, just not frozen. So what I do is I take it out of the refrigerator, I pour my 2 cups, and while I'm getting the rest of the ingredients together, I let the bowl and the cream chill. Again, I'll put the recipe down below in the description, but it's half a cup for every 2 cups. So you can double it or cut it in half. It's super simple. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I like to chill my vanilla as well. You don't have to, but it does make the whipped topping more stable when everything is cold. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to start mixing. This has been mixing for 2 minutes on medium speed. On my mixer, it's a 6. Yours might be different. It's starting to come together. Not quite a peak. We'll continue mixing on the same speed. This has been mixing at 3 minutes. We're starting to get a lot of thickness here, and the idea is that we're incorporating air to make this light, fluffy, and stable. It's not quite ready. We'll mix it for about another minute. So after that additional minute, we've been mixing for a total of 4 minutes. This is done. So when I insert my whisk, I get peaks at the end. Let me get you to see that. It's very thick. You don't want to overmix because it will break it to where it is not as stiff. So there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you have quick and easy homemade whipped cream. And if you enjoyed the content today, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.